All right, what's up, people? What's up, Sean Hartnell? This video is going to be for you, bro, because you asked a really, really interesting question. And I'm surprised I never fucking talked about this before. You basically asked, what is the ultimate value, purpose, need, etc. for something called ontology? For those of you few idiots out there that don't know what this is, welcome to the club. I'm kidding. Ontology, also called metaphysics, is the branch of philosophy that deals with the ultimate nature of being or reality. So basically, if you want to break it down, there are two, what I would call basic schools, and these are realism versus idealism, also known as materialism versus idealism, etc., etc. And Sean asked an interesting point. You asked an interesting point, bro. What does it matter? And I think your point is echoed in the Tantras of Buddhism. I really think it is. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all whether or not there is some underlying substrate to the world of phenomena. This is why I count Immanuel Kant among my influential thinkers that I really take to heart. Is because he was one of the first. He basically declared metaphysics to be dead because he said we cannot get beyond the phenomena of perception. We just can't. That's like the noumena. That would be supposedly what lies beyond the phenomena. We can't get to that just by the very nature of the way perception works. We have no access to those things in and of themselves, as he called them. And I think Buddhism is on the same page in the sense of, look, there are theoretical constructs that we have. We can talk about Dharmakaya, we can talk about Sambhogakaya, Nirmanakaya. These are all constructs that we layer over and against basically what is known as, in the ultimate teachings, naked awareness. Naked awareness is just awareness in and of itself. And once you get to that point, you realize it's non-dual. Non-dual means we don't ask any further questions. We understand that there is no extra thing beyond the phenomena of perception. Ultimately, agreeing with Kant that metaphysics is dead, and there is nothing, or metaphysics, like I said, that's an equivalent term for ontology. There is nothing further that we're actually looking for. So even we can do hard science, we can do physics, we can do biology, etc. And we can come up with all these equations. So we can come up with the equation of, 1 + 1 = 2. But does that require any ontology beyond just understanding what that, equation means? Are we arguing for some kind of substrate along Aristotelian grounds or even Platonic grounds that there has to be a Platonic form of the one in order for that to, hold as a theory? No, we don't need that at all. We understand that it works without it actually having to refer to anything other than what it refers to, which is just an equivalence. So yes, I share your concern here, but I don't think it's a concern that ultimately matters. Unless somebody wants to try to make it matter, which is probably the people you're arguing against, would probably be some of the same people I would be arguing against. And shout out to Zach Black saying anything under 10 minutes is a short video for me. Yeah, 100%, bro. I get it. I'm not talking to the same people you're talking to. How'd that Joe Rogan thing pan out? No, I'm just fucking with you, bro. I'm just fucking with you. I know how Joe Rogan is. Well, I don't really, but I do. So, anywho, 30 hits of LSD guy. This is another short video for both of y'all. Much respect to everybody that watches my videos.